This is a detailed video on how to make acha for swallow. That's what you can use to eat with your soup. So this is the cup of water I used. I used just 1 cup of water. So I allowed the water to boil. After it has boiled, I went ahead to take out a little quantity of that water. We will use it later. So I'll just set it aside first. Then go ahead and add my acha and then stir. As I'm adding, I'm stirring it. As I'm adding, I'm stirring it. Make sure that the acha now is not watery. It should be a little bit thick. You can see the way mine is. So what you need to do is just to keep stirring it, keep turning it. Make sure that you turn it very well, and everything is mixed properly. You can see the way it is. So after that, you go ahead and add that little water you removed earlier. You must not add all the water this time. Just add a little bit. Make sure that the water is not too much. After that, you go ahead and cover it and allow it to boil for some time, like 1 to 2 minutes. Allow it to boil for some time. So after it has boiled, you go ahead and still open it and keep stirring it again. Keep stirring it again. Make sure that you mix everything properly. Like I said earlier, the water you will add later, make sure it's not much. Make sure it's not much. So that's just it. So keep stirring it, stirring it. Make sure you stir it properly. And then that is that. It's as simple as ABCD. So that's just basically it. You can see the way it is. It's not too strong, it's not too watery, just in between. So that's it. You can see the way it is. So that's just basically it. So after that, it's good to go ahead and tie it in a leather. This way it's going to retain the hotness and the softness. It's not going to dry out. It's not going to dry out. So that's just it. What you need to do is to open the leather, scoop out a little bit, add it, make sure that the leather can cover it. Then you just mold it into a presentable shape, and that's just basically it. So that is just it, and that's the end of the video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.